Are you new to the neighborhood?
Hi. Yes, I just moved in last week. I live in the house across the street.
Oh, great. Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Jack.
Nice to meet you too, Jack. That's a lovely dog you have. What's his name?
Thanks. His name is Max. He's a Labrador.
He looks so friendly. I love dogs.
Max is very friendly. He loves people. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name's Lily. She's very calm and likes to sleep all day.
That sounds nice. Max and Lily should meet someday, but maybe not too soon. Dogs and cats can be funny together.
Yes, that's true. Lily is a bit shy, but she's curious too.
So, do you like living here?
Yes, it's a quiet and peaceful place. I've lived here for 3 years now.
That's good to know. I moved from the city. It's a big change for me.
Oh, I can imagine. Do you like the countryside?
Yes, I do. It's very green, and the air is fresh. I also enjoy walking Max in the park nearby.
I go to the park too, usually in the evenings. Maybe we'll see each other there sometime.
That would be nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, cooking, and sometimes painting. How about you?
I enjoy photography. I like taking pictures of nature and animals. And of course, playing with Max.
That's great. You must have beautiful photos. Do you share them online?
Sometimes, I have a small Instagram page where I post some of them. I can show you next time.
I'd love that.
Listen, I'm having some coffee and cookies this afternoon. Would you like to come over?
That sounds lovely. What time?
Around 4 p.m., if that's okay.
Perfect. I'll bring some lemon cake. I just baked it this morning.
Wow, that sounds delicious. Thank you, Emma.
No problem. I'm glad to meet a friendly neighbor.
Same here. See you at 4.
See you then.